Hey everyone! Ever had a moment on the road where something went wrong and you wished you had proof of what really happened? From sudden accidents to mysterious parking dents, these situations can quickly turn stressful without evidence. That's exactly why a good dash cam can be a total game changer. In today's video, I'm breaking down some of the best dash cams that help protect you every time you drive. Stick around to see which one fits your needs best, and you can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Now let's get started. Product number 1. 70mm A810S. The 70mm A810S is a high-end dash cam that records in sharp 4K resolution using a Sony Starvis 2 sensor. This allows it to capture detailed footage during the day and clear, usable video at night, even in darker areas. It comes with built-in GPS that automatically records speed and location, and ADAS features that provide alerts like lane departure and forward collision warnings to support safer driving. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast video transfer to your phone, while voice control lets you operate basic functions without touching the device. It also supports parking monitoring and an optional rear camera through additional accessories, making it flexible for future upgrades. Pros: excellent video clarity, both day and night, smart safety features that work smoothly without distraction. Cons: some important features require extra accessories. It's for drivers who want premium video quality and advanced safety support for daily or highway driving. Final verdict: if you're looking for a powerful, future-ready dash cam that combines sharp visuals with helpful safety features, the 70mm A810S is a strong and reliable choice. Product number 2. VIOFO A119V3. The VIOFO A119V3 focuses on dependable performance rather than extra features. It records in clear 2K resolution using a Sony Starvis sensor, producing balanced footage during the day and solid visibility at night. The compact design fits discreetly behind the mirror, keeping your windshield clean and free from distraction. Instead of a battery, it uses a capacitor, which makes it more reliable in hot climates and suitable for long-term use. It supports loop recording and advanced parking mode when connected with a hardwire kit, providing steady protection while your car is parked. There is no Wi-Fi or app, which helps keep the system stable and easy to use without technical complications. Pros: consistent and reliable video recording, heat-resistant design ideal for long-term use. Cons: no Wi-Fi or app-based control. It's for drivers who want a simple, trustworthy dash cam that focuses purely on recording quality. Final verdict: the A119V3 is an excellent option for anyone who values reliability and clarity over smart features and prefers a straightforward setup. Product number 3. DDPAI Dual Cam. The DDPAI Dual Dash Cam is designed to provide both front and rear coverage for everyday driving. It records clear footage from the front camera while monitoring the rear of the vehicle, which is helpful in traffic, parking situations, or rear-end incidents. It includes GPS tracking to log speed and routes, loop recording for continuous operation, and motion detection for basic parking protection. Installation is simple, and once set up, the camera runs quietly without requiring constant attention. The system focuses on stable, practical performance rather than pushing extreme specifications, making it easy to live with on a daily basis. Pros: front and rear camera coverage, simple setup with stable everyday performance. Cons: night performance is average compared to premium models. It's for families and regular drivers who want basic front and rear protection without complexity. Final verdict: this DDPAI Dual Cam is a solid, practical choice for everyday use, offering reliable coverage at a reasonable price. Product number 4. REDTIGER F9. The REDTIGER F9 is a feature-packed dash cam that records in 4K resolution and captures a wide field of view of the road. It includes built-in GPS to track speed and driving routes, Wi-Fi connectivity for reviewing and downloading footage through a mobile app, and parking monitoring for added security when the car is unattended. Daytime footage looks sharp and detailed, while night recordings are decent for its price range. The camera is designed to offer modern features without entering the premium price category, making it accessible to a wider range of drivers. Pros: high-resolution recording with wide road coverage, good balance of features and price. Cons: mobile app performance can be slow at times. It's for drivers who want modern features and clear video quality without spending too much. Final verdict: the REDTIGER F9 offers strong overall value and is a good pick for budget-conscious drivers who still want useful features. Product number 5. AZDOME Triple Cam. The AZDOME Triple Cam is built for maximum coverage, recording the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle at the same time. It supports 4K recording, GPS logging for speed and route tracking, wide-angle viewing, and parking monitoring. This setup is especially useful for rideshare drivers, taxis, or family vehicles where interior recording adds extra security. The camera comes with useful accessories to help with installation, and its wide coverage helps reduce blind spots during driving and parking. Pros: complete front, rear, and interior coverage, built-in GPS for tracking speed and routes. Cons: bulkier setup compared to single-camera models. It's for rideshare drivers and anyone who needs full interior and exterior monitoring. Final verdict: if your priority is maximum coverage rather than compact size, the AZDOME Triple Cam is a practical and reliable solution. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.